how is court-based navigators different from the neighborhood navigators program?
We funded $6 million for the bridge to really, if you think about a day like today, someone is walking around with no shirt on and talking to him or herself, most of us will understandably cross the street away from that person. The folks from the bridge, many of whom have kind of lived some of these experiences themselves, their task is to cross the street and engage those folks, ask them, do you need a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, a t-shirt, and we started that in March, so this is something that we're tracking, and it's, I think, on pace to be something that we'll recommend that go beyond Manhattan. The community-based is prevention, and there are some other projects like that. We sort of just added our resources to the mix and are doing that in coordination with other city agencies. The core base, I think, potentially is more transformative. We have, this is a $3 million program, Fortune Society, which is a reentry program. They're administering it, and they're right there in our courtroom. So if you get arraigned in Manhattan and you give police no recognizance or bail is set, you're gonna walk past one of them, and they've had experiences, either justice involved or homelessness, and they're gonna just ask you some profoundly simple question. What do you need? Separate and apart from any case mandate that there may be, what do you need? Oftentimes that's food. They can provide that. Potentially most transformative is housing. And so they have the ability and have taken people straight from our arraignment part to emergency housing. And for us, it's whereas the community-based are preventative, this population, essentially folks that we might not see unless they recidivate, right? If someone tells someone, you have to come next Thursday morning at 9:30 a.m. to court, and it's Monday morning, and you have no Outlook, and you have no email, and you don't have a place to go stay, common sense and also history dictated, we don't see that person again until they commit another crime. So this stabilizes people and reduces recidivism in the courtroom, seeing them interact and seeing the results and the stabilization. This has real promise.